Hey everybody, just want to give you another video on how to do the Google Sheets document for this week. So like last week, oh well sorry, this isn't it. This here is the link to the article where we actually got the data from. Sorry, my kids are homeschooling somewhere else and they're messaging me. Yeah, so for this week, this is our Google Sheets doc. That's what you're going to want to copy from. What the data comes from, it's actually a much bigger data set. I've shrunk it down for you. The data comes from a study they did in Italy to see what was happening with police officers. You know, what's their blood chemistry like? Do they have, trying to predict for health problems because of the high stress nature of the job. So these are police officers in a rapid response team, and I'm not exactly sure what that looks like over in Italy, but yeah, so that's what our data set looks like. So yours, you probably won't be able to edit. What you're going to want to do is search for Google Sheets again, and again, you want to have a Google account so that it saves it automatically for you. Get yourself a blank document, and then you can highlight everything here. So I like to click the top left cell, and I scroll down to the bottom, then I hold Shift, and then I click the bottom right cell, and then Edit, Copy. So over here I'm going to go to Edit, Paste, and there. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to do. So first part, if a healthy triglyceride level is less than 150 milligrams per deciliter, which is the units that they measured triglyceride levels, I guess, in this study, should we characterize these police officers as having healthy levels? And then you can use either the mean or the median to support your answer. And then you want to use the mean or the median. You want to pick just one of them, and you want to justify why you've picked that one. So like what we talked about in the textbook this week in our readings, and in what we talked about in Newton, is that we pick the median if there's some sort of skew or if there's outliers. We use the mean if it looks symmetrical. So one thing you might want to do to get your handle on that is highlight one of these columns. I would do it for column E, but I'm okay if you do it for column D too. Okay, you can answer this question. You want to calculate the mean or the median. So to figure out which one you want to calculate, let's click Insert. Let's make a graph like we did last week. So I click Chart, and then I don't want a scatter chart. What's it doing? I want histogram. Okay, so you can use that to help you make a decision on whether to use the mean or the median. So that's a histogram of the data set. And now, if you want to calculate the mean, remember what we did last week is we had equals, average, open parentheses, click and drag, close the parentheses. Okay? So you wouldn't want to do the data I did here. You would want to click and drag for the entire data set. And for the median, similar type of thing. Equals, median, open parentheses, click and drag. You want to go all the way down for the median. So that's the first part. You want to calculate the mean and the median and describe whether these police officers are considered healthy or not for triglyceride levels.